Hey guys. Clover Valley Cola. Tastes so good you'll never know. It's generic. Alright, Clover Valley, I just did some cheap advertising. Now pay me. Haha. Joking. Unless you're gonna pay me, then email me. Get a hold of me on YouTube, Clover Valley. But all joking aside, so my 40-some YouTube people, I can't believe I just started this in December, pretty much. Let's just say in December I started. Let's just say around the 2-week mark in December I started. And since then I've got 40-some followers. I won't say what started my my following, but let's just say it was the 13th or the 15th of December, you know. So, and then all of a sudden I started getting followers, but I won't say what event, what apocalyptic event that started my following, my eventful following. But I have gone from 0 followers to 40. Oh! So I was wondering, how do you guys like my channel? You know, with the others, I've had people, you know, say, "Oh, this is awesome, thanks for this post," and I just re-upload a lot of stuff, except for the stuff that you guys hear me, obviously, like this. This is original. Believe it or not, though, I've been copyrighted on my own covers when I was singing. Yeah, I left some not so nice comments for YouTube about those ones. Yeah, so I've been flagged, so I can't post anything over 15 minutes. Whoopty. If you can't say it under 15 minutes, I guess it's too long for people to follow you. You gonna say hi to everybody? Oh. I think they come and see you most of the time more than they see me. Whoa, you just bumped it.
Hi.
You're gonna tell what company is this? Oh, Clover Valley, to send us some money because we're, you know, like advertising for them. Clover Valley, they're better than Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know it's bad when you can't even afford name brand pop. But Clover Valley tastes better than Coca-Cola anyway, so. And besides that, who can go shopping at Walmart or Kmart anymore? We're a Dollar General type of shopper now. Dollar General, I just plugged you. Send me some money. Oh, I have seen so many, and yes, I have. I debated whether or not on the ones that have, this is my YouTube account, or this is my PayPal account, or, please send me money for the ones that I uploaded. And then I debated about putting their information in the box. But then I was like, well, Clover Valley. Roll your own at home. Buy the tobacco, the tubes, and make your own. They're cheaper. Plus, they don't have that carpet glue in them, so they're healthier. Oh wait, you want to know the brand of tubes I use? That will be for another show. Not while I'm smoking, honey. Oh, okay, that's fine. I can hand that to you.
So I can have it over my nightstand.
Well, we can put it right up here so that it's by both of us, okay? And so these ones, they don't have that, that glue in them. So you don't, like Marlboro, or even the generic cigarettes now have that carpet glue in them, which that ain't good for you either. But going back to the people who plug their, oh, I'm helping the Lord, this is my vision that I had that the Lord gave me, or the Lord wants me to tell you this, but I need you to send me money so that I can get on my camera and tell you what He's telling me to tell you. What? Are you serious? That is just, I could understand it if you were, and I'm not plugging Alex Jones, because, okay, I don't know whether or not he is an Illuminati plugger. In other words, working both sides. Whether or not he is an Illuminatist who is allowed to give out certain details. Because they have to have, they have to have certain things come about, and without the people knowing about it, their plans can't come about. So, but, sorry, I lost track there. Man, I hate it when the light comes in through the window like that. It looks like I look so pale and bloody. Let me see what this looks like. Oh yeah. But these individuals that have on there, I need, this is my vision. I had a vision, and God's telling me to tell you this and that. And, oh, here's my PayPal account. I could really use your help. If God's telling you to tell people stuff, you should not be plugging people for money. So, alright, I'll be back in a couple minutes. I'm gonna try to keep them under 10 minutes just to be on the safe side. So, I'll be back.